Question 7 is quite a significant question. Anne tosses 3 fair coins and Bob tosses 2 fair coins. Find the probability that Anne obtains more heads than Bob. So first of all, let's just do the distribution. So number of heads and the probability for Anne. Well, the outcomes could be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now we've done this many times before, so you should know the probability of no heads is 1/8, 1 head is 3/8, 2 heads is 3/8, and 3 heads is 1/8, just by drawing the sample space with the 8 possible outcomes. So this is Anne. For Bob, again, he only tosses 2 coins, so he can only take values of 0, 1 and 2. The probability of this happening, well, no heads is 1/4, 1 head is 1/2, and 2 heads is 1/4. Again, just quickly we can see that you would have the outcomes of head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. You can see 4 outcomes, and then just input the correct probability into the correct box. We actually need now that the probability that Anne heads are greater than Bill's. So if we look carefully, you can see we have a number of options here. First of all, Anne could have 3 and Bob could have 2, so that's 1/8 times 1/4. Or Anne could have 3 and Bob could have 1, that's 1/8 times 1/2. Or Anne could have 3 and Bob could have none. Then we could look at Anne having 2 and Bob having 1. Or Anne having 2 and Bob having none. And finally, the last option must be Anne having 1 head and Bob having none. So if we add all these probabilities together, you should get a probability overall of Anne having more heads than Bob as being 1/2.